Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Jocelyn Guerrón. I am in first year's course. I am going to read at sweat the question. What happened in you sport you skim to some lad in cow in cat in cat cows but at premature age of the skin. What do typical feel when they do yet and no sleep? Let of slim cat affect your immune system. What happened in your dog? Water you garden regular. If you do water they frequently the flowers do grow as eventual they will tell. What happened in you touch a job slow? If you work or you yourself your slow apply cool are. What happened in you multiple any number be zero? Number multiple be zero result in zero. Thank you, teacher. See you in the next class.